Hi, this is Brenda with Missouri Assistive Technology, and we're going to talk about Apple's built-in Assistive Access. It's created for individuals who are older persons, maybe don't like all the techie stuff and the tons of icons across their device, and also great for individuals with cognitive or intellectual disabilities as well. So it provides limited options on the screen and just a simpler interface, and it's great.
So go to Settings, Accessibility, and then Assistive Access. And then it's going to ask you to set up Assistive Access. We'll continue. And you can choose either the grid or the rows. We're going to go with the grid. And then you can select different apps. So let's choose the camera. We'll choose the camera, the magnifier, and the camera. And it's going to give you options on the camera. So do you want to be able to just take a forward facing or a selfie? Let's do the selfie. And we'll leave the videos. And then we will also, let's add photos. And it asks if you want to include shared albums. We'll do that. Let's add Be My Eyes, and we'll allow that. And for the Ray-Bans, if we have the Ray-Bans, continue. So there's different questions that it's going to ask you. And we are going to have the magnifier, the camera, the photos, Be My Eyes. You can add several more if you want. You can add a calculator. You can add a clock or your drives or your files, your Gmail. We can add the Gmail, the health tracker. Let's add that. And let's go ahead and go. We can add a book reader. And again, the Kindle's asking us for some questions. We'll say full access. Okay, and we're gonna continue. It's gonna ask us for a passcode, and be sure to write down your passcode because that's how you get in and out of it. It'll ask you to re-enter it. And we're not going to do a recovery count for now. And it's telling you to triple click the top button, then enter the passcode to turn it off. So we want to start using it. So it's going to ask us for our passcode. We'll enter that. And here you are, entering Assistive Access. So this is on an iPad mini, and I've got 7 grid icons. That was in landscape mode. Here's what it looks like in portrait mode. I really like that. They're nice, really big icons. And that's how you set up Assistive Access. Now, if we want to exit, we'll do the triple click. And it'll say, do you want to go to the settings or you want to exit? We want to exit. And by the way, all of the settings in Assistive Access, if I want to go back, I didn't show you that. So everything is with a back button. There are no swipes or ups or downs or anything. It's all with forward and back button. And we will exit out of that. And in order to exit, you have to enter this again. And there we go. That's how you do Assistive Access and set it up.